Chinky, Puntun Kids Games has been launched now. Wow, I also want to play now. Hurry up and go to Play Store and download Puntun Kids Games. I'm also downloading it. You also download it quickly and start the fun. Link is in the description.
Key is lost in the water park. Summer vacations had started. Gattu and Chinky were feeling bad due to the heat.
In the sunshine, we can't even go out to play. This summer vacations is getting really boring, Chinky.
Papa was listening to the kids from a distance. Papa went to the kids and put a ticket each in Gattu and Chinky's hands. Gattu, Chinky, now is not the time to get bored. Now is the time to have fun. After listening to Papa, Gattu and Chinky start looking at each other and then both of them shout together.
Water park! Wow!
Seeing the excitement of the kids, Papa and Mummy also became happy. Mummy, Papa, Gattu and Chinky all left for the water park. After reaching the water park, Mummy gave everyone their costumes.
Here, Chinky, this is your costume. And Gattu, this is your costume. Now go, change your clothes.
Gattu and Chinky became very happy after seeing their costumes.
Hey, Mummy, my costume's so colorful. Wow! Yes, my costume also has pockets. Yay!
Gattu and Chinky gave their clothes to Mummy and Mummy kept everyone's clothes in the locker and locked it.
Hey, where to keep this key?
Yes, you have to keep the key carefully. Where to keep it? Seeing Mummy Papa in tension about keeping the key, Gattu said quickly,
Mummy, Papa, I will keep the key carefully. I have pockets in my costume too.
Gattu confidently took the key from Mummy Papa and kept it in his pocket.
Now don't worry about this green crocodile, Mummy. Now it is locked in my pocket.
Hearing Gattu's words, everyone started laughing. After that, Mummy Papa went to the elders section to enjoy their rides and Gattu Chinky came to the children section. Gattu started insisting on enjoying the water tunnel ride.
Chinky, first of all, we will go on the tunnel ride. It is a lot of fun. No, I will first go to the water slides.
Gattu and Chinky started fighting for their respective rides and Gattu got angry.
I will go to the water tunnel ride only. Okay, I will also go to the slides only.
Both got angry with each other and went towards their respective rides. As Gattu stood on the dais for the tunnel ride, a strong water push took him inside the tunnel. Gattu got excited and went inside the tunnel with water.
Yeah!
Here, Chinky also sat in the water slide and started sliding down with water.
Yay!
After some time, Gattu came out of his tunnel and fell in a pool. And Chinky also slipped from her slide and fell in the same pool. Both of them saw each other and started laughing out loudly.
Hey, we met at the same place even after going in different rides. Yes, Gattu, this means now we should enjoy together. Anyway, we have come here to enjoy together only.
Gattu got excited after listening to Chinky.
Okay, so now we will enjoy on our favorite rides one by one. Okay? Deal done!
Gattu and Chinky gave high fives to each other and started going towards the next rides. Just then, Gattu's eyes fell on a floating crocodile.
Hey, look, our keys. It seems that our key came out of my pocket due to strong blow of water. Oh, yes! This is the same green crocodile key. Catch it quickly, Gattu, or the key will float and move further away.
In the tension of the key, both Gattu and Chinky started following the floating crocodile. Gattu quickly jumped in the water tunnel to catch the key. But the key again went floating further away from his hands. Then Chinky used the slide and dived into the pool where the key was floating. But the key slipped from Chinky's hands as well. Here, Mom and Dad were waiting for the kids in the changing room.
Where have the kids gone? Gattu still has the keys.
Hey, the kids will come. They have come to the water park after so many days. Let them have fun.
But now the time for all the rides is over. By now they should have come.
Mummy was standing in wet clothes and waiting for the locker key. And the key was still out of the reach of Gattu and Chinky's hands. As they were trying to get it, it again went inside the water tunnel. And then Chinky said,
Idea! Gattu, before the key comes into the pool from the tunnel, before that only, we will go inside the pool, and as soon as the key comes, we will get it. Yes, this is a good idea.
Gattu and Chinky stood right in front of the tunnel pipe and started waiting for the key. But one after the other, children came out of the tunnel, but the key did not come. Gattu got even more worried seeing this.
It seems the key got stuck somewhere, Chinky. What will happen now?
Gattu got sad and came out of the pool. But then one more child came out of the tunnel forcefully, and along with him came the green crocodile key. This time Chinky caught the key from the spot.
Look, Gattu, we got the keys.
Gattu was relieved on seeing the key, and both of them quickly went to Mummy Papa in the changing room.
Where were you? Why did it take so long? Standing here in wet clothes has started to get scared. Give me the keys quickly.
Gattu quickly handed the key to Mummy, but as soon as Mummy put the key in the locker didn't open. Seeing this, Gattu and Chinky got worried.
Hey, the locker is not opening with this key.
Bring it here. I will try to open it. Mummy Papa both tried again and again, but the locker didn't open. And then a child came there with her mother and said,
Mummy, this boy only has my crocodile key. Look at that.
Hey, this is our locker key. Give it to me.
As soon as Auntie took the keys from Mummy's hand and put them in her locker, the locker opened. Seeing this, Gattu and Chinky got shocked. And Mummy and Papa also got tensed. If this key is theirs, then Gattu dear, where is our key? Gattu's face turned red with tension, but he was not able to understand where his keys went.
Gattu beta, don't worry. But once again try to remember where you kept the keys.
Mummy, I kept the keys in my front pocket only. And look, there is no key in my front pocket.
Seeing Gattu worried, Papa said, Gattu dear, you drink some water. It is very hot, and after so many rides, you must be tired. As Papa extended the bottle of water towards Gattu, a child came running fast and hit Gattu, and Gattu fell on the ground. At that time, something pricked him near his waist, due to which he got scared.
Mummy.
What happened, Gattu? What happened? Mummy, something pricked on my back.
As soon as Mummy looked at Gattu's back, she came to know that Gattu had kept a key in his back pocket. And when he fell, that key pricked him.
Gattu, what pricked you is a key. Now do you remember where you kept the key?
Oh yes, I remember. I had kept the key in the back pocket carefully. Forgetful, Gattu.
Hearing this, Mummy, Papa and Chinky all started laughing. Everyone changed their clothes and left for home.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.